Yo! First order up is a 7-Eleven pickup. This is $9 going 6 miles. The DoorDash for Nicole. Thank you. We've got two different customers. We've got shop and deliver for Safeway. This is 8 items, or maybe 9. And an Angels pickup, $19 going 6 miles. All right, let's get this over with. I'm already annoyed by it. And they just gave me an add-on order. This is more shopping. Only one item. $7. 3 extra miles. Sure, might as well. Sold out of that one too. Oh, it's just this? Thank you. You as well. Hi, kitty. See you. The next drop off is the big order with the waters in it. It says, don't make any noise. Oh, you are something else. I think I see it, and I think it's upstairs. That's amazing. I can't tell, but I'm on my tippy toes. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is $6 and change going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Got the next one right away. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $10 going 5 miles, 3 items. So I'm doing a shopping order. I don't know where I would find lube. Where would that be in the store?
I'm not sure we have that brand, but if it's in there, maybe we do it on 11, Family Plan.
11?
On the left-hand side. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Well, they didn't reply, so no lube for you this morning. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Muchas Gracias, $6 going 3 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
This is a McDonald's, $7 going 4 miles. Thank you. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $7 going 2 miles, 1 item. I don't know if this is back here or not. It's the Tito's mini pack. Yeah, I just need one of those. Got this one right away. It is a Seize the Bagel, $8, going 3.5 miles.
Thank you.
Amanda, one more? Here you go, thank you.
Hello. For Kim.
What's the last name?
B.
Kim B.
Thank you.
Here you go, thank you.
Got this one right away. It is Presso Coffee. This one is $14, going 9 miles. Luckily, even though this one is high mileage, it is mostly highway miles, so should be a quick one. Except that it's dropping off downtown, so that might be an issue.
Have a good day.
You too? Yeah, I knew it was going to be a pain as soon as I got into downtown, because half the streets are closed, either for construction or the farmer's market thingy, and nowhere to park.
You can use pound 111.
Oh, or you know, just buzz me in. Next up is probably a mistake. This is Joe Brown's Cafe, $8, going 4 miles, but it's going across the river. Nowhere to park again. Thank you. Hello. What was the name? John. Yep, there you are. Have a good day. Made it back into my zone and got the next order. This is a McDonald's, $9, going 5 miles. Thank you, you too. Ooh, this one is going downtown and I need a pin. Doubly annoying. 5?
Uh-huh.
All right, good to go.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you. All right, I think that is enough for today. Current time is 9:42. Total ended up with 113. Yeah, 113. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.